In the digital age, data is the driving force behind successful corporate strategy. Understanding customer behavior, optimizing inventory management, and making data-driven decisions are all critical for retailers looking to thrive in a competitive market. Shopify POS acknowledges the value of data analysis and provides a robust set of analytics solutions that enable shops to get useful insights. In this video, we will look at the significance and benefits of data analysis in Shopify POS, demonstrating how it enables retailers to identify hidden patterns, make informed decisions, and drive business success. Comprehensive sales analysis. Understanding sales performance is critical for retailers in order to discover patterns, quantify success, and optimize tactics. Shopify POS offers comprehensive sales analysis tools that allow retailers to look into key indicators such as total sales, average order value, and sales by product or category. Retailers can acquire a better knowledge of their sales patterns by using intuitive dashboards and reports. They can discover their best-selling products, determine peak sales periods, and study customer purchasing behavior. With these insights, merchants can make data-driven decisions to optimize pricing, promotional methods, and product assortment, ultimately driving increased sales and profitability. Customer insights and segmentation. The analytics features in Shopify POS allow retailers to acquire important insights about their customer base. Retailers can use customer data, such as demographics, purchase history, and order frequency, to find significant trends and patterns. By segmenting their customer base, businesses may identify high-value consumer segments, understand their preferences, and customize marketing efforts accordingly. Retailers, for example, might build targeted email campaigns or customized promotions for certain client groups, boosting the likelihood of engagement and conversion. Furthermore, consumer data enable retailers to identify and solve client turnover. Retailers may reduce attrition and build long-term client loyalty by studying consumer behavior and discovering trends linked with churn. Inventory management optimization. Efficient inventory management is critical for merchants to maintain optimal stock levels and meet customer needs. The analytics capabilities of Shopify POS extend to inventory analysis, allowing shops to acquire insights into their stock levels, turnover, and product performance. Retailers can detect slow-moving or static products and take corrective actions by evaluating inventory data. They can modify pricing, execute marketing strategies to promote specific products, or make informed decisions about product phasing out or clearance sales. This product mix optimization enhances inventory turnover, lowers holding costs, and increases profitability. Furthermore, retailers can employ analytics to estimate future demand and change inventory levels accordingly. Retailers may create accurate predictions, manage procurement procedures, and avoid stockouts and overstock situations by examining past sales data, seasonal trends, and customer behavior. Conversion rate optimization. Analyzing and optimizing the conversion rate is crucial for merchants aiming to improve the effectiveness of their online presence. The analytics capabilities in Shopify POS enable shops to measure and evaluate conversion rates, allowing them to find areas for development. Retailers can use customer journey data to determine where potential customers abandon the purchasing process. By identifying conversion friction spots or hurdles, retailers can make targeted modifications to their website design, user experience, or checkout process, boosting the likelihood of successful conversions. Furthermore, analytics allow merchants to A/B test different marketing tactics, website layouts, or product displays. By measuring the impact of these modifications on conversion rates, retailers can make data-driven decisions about which methods to deploy and optimize their marketing efforts for optimal efficacy.